Alright guys, today we got a G37 Coupe. We're going to show you how to get this seat out. Super simple. You need a few tools. You need a clip remover, you need a 14 mil socket, and a panel popper. That's about it. First things first, let's move these seats all the way forward. Go like that. And you're gonna see two covers right here. You're gonna want to pop these off. You don't need any tools for that. Same thing with this side, just pop out on that and then it'll pop up. Alright, so once you pop those two covers off, there's going to be two 14mm bolts right here. Let me go grab a 14 socket and get those taken out. Okay, so I prepped myself and I went and got a few tools that we're going to need. We're going to need a pick, a flathead, a pair of cutters, and a 14 on an impact. So we're going to pull out those first. And once those are pulled out, we're going to move our tools to the front. Cool, now we're going to be on to the front now. And same thing, we're just going to pop these plastic pieces off. Start on the outside of the rail. Work your way out like that. That'll relieve it a little bit. And then just pop it off so gently. Make sure you don't break anything. Same thing on this side. This side you just need to go on the front. So once that's loose like that, get your 14 on there. Loosen her up. And then what I like to do is I like to rock the seat backwards. Like that, so you can see everything that you need to get to under here. Alright, so first things first is when we get under here, I'm just going to clip that zip tie. Make sure you don't go too deep into the harness. Then we're going to come up here. Don't cut the harness, just the zip ties. So there's that. And then we're going to unplug. I'm going to unplug this guy right here. And then for the airbag, make sure that the airbags are always yellow plugs. Make sure that your battery's undone so it doesn't explode on you. And then unplug this one right here. And last but not least, we'll clip this last zip tie. Bring that down, and we have the main harness plug right here. Pop that out, and your seat is free, and you can take it out. Alright, so once all that's unplugged, that harness from right there, just grab it. I like to grab the rail right here in the back of the seat, and I'll kind of just twist so that it's like this. This is the easiest way because normally when you have a center console in, it'll hit that. So then you're going to want to grab the top of the rail, and I just grab right under the headrest and kind of twist straight out. And that right there is how you remove a seat from a G37 Coupe.